Today I'm a little bit nervous because very first time I joined with a mentor.
Oh,
So first of all, good afternoon, ma'am,
okay.
and very warm welcome to my
Good
channel.
afternoon. Thank you very much, Meena.
Okay, ma'am. So
It's my pleasure.
could you introduce yourself for my audience? I know you very well, but I want to uh, introduce for my
Hmm.
audience.
Yes, sure, definitely. So, my name is Aarti Chaube. I'm connecting from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and I'm a government teacher in Mandawar Girls High Secondary School. And I'm teaching English to class 11th and 12th since from last 28 years.
Oh my God.
So this is, yes, I'm entering into the 30th year of my teaching.
Yeah.
And I am a YouTuber also because I create content. I upload short videos related to English and sometimes conversation videos also I upload. And I am again a very keen and enthusiastic learner of this language. Still, I am learning, and I think we keep on learning only. We are not at all perfect because life always teaches us. So we should
Yeah.
also never cease to learn.
Right, right.
And yes, that's all about me.
Very nice, ma'am. Today I try my best. I can say only this because now I feel totally blank in front of you. So
Oh,
please.
no. Don't think like that.
Yeah,
Please
but
be easy.
you are my
Yes,
teacher,
let's start.
so it's happen maybe. You know, I know your
So,
capability. That's why. Okay, so today we will discuss about self-love and self-respect. So
right.
I want to say, please put something valuable information about this topic.
Yes. So, see, actually, are you asking about self-love or self-respect?
Hmm.
On which I have to say, self-love or
You
selfless respect?
you can choose anyone, no problem. Both are
Okay.
similar. Both are maybe interconnected in my perspective. So I'm happy with
Hmm.
both.
Yes.
No
You
problem.
see, respect is something which we earn. It's not means a normal thing which can be given to anyone.
Hmm.
Respect is earned, and it depends totally on our behavior,
Hmm.
like how we are behaving with our
Hmm.
people, those who are around us, in
Hmm.
our family members. So, respect is something which we are earning,
Hmm.
and if our behavior is not good with our co-learners, with our family members, with our students,
Hmm. Hmm.
then we cannot expect anything good from them, and
Yeah.
we cannot expect that respect from them. So
Hmm.
to earn a respect, first it depends on you,
Hmm.
like how you are treating them, because it is a give and take relation. If you will give respect,
Yeah.
you can take respect from
Hmm.
others,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? And if you are not respecting others, then I don't think they will respect you also. And
Right,
now
right.
respects are of different kinds also, like someone respect your presence,
Hmm.
someone respect your thoughts,
Hmm.
right? So
Hmm.
whenever your presence is there, if you are a very good personality, if your aura, if your thoughts
Hmm.
are positive,
Hmm.
people will like your presence, people will respect you.
Hmm.
but but on the other hand, if you are not if you are thinking, always thinking ill of others, and you are
Hmm.
treating others with bad words, cruel
Yeah.
words, then
Yeah.
I don't think you will get that respect. Yeah, people,
Yeah.
because of your position,
Hmm.
people may respect you, but not from your heart. They will
Yeah.
not respect you from heart, right? So whenever people are respecting us, it is visible from their faces. Their
Yeah.
faces glow when they see us around them. Their
Hmm.
faces are just glowing like anything, and they feel very good, and they
Hmm.
bow us and they greet us with so warmth.
Hmm.
So this is very much important. I think that we must give respect also. For
Yeah.
example, today is 10th of December.
Mhm.
and 10th of December is celebrated as Human Rights Day. And
Oh,
my
okay.
principal told me to say something to students.
Yeah.
I came on the stage and I said only one thing, that
Mhm.
human rights. See, when we talk about rights, we have to
Mhm.
respect the means we have to respect the rights of other persons also. Not
Mhm.
only our rights. We
Yeah.
should not fight for only our rights, but
Right.
we should also value, we should also respect others' privacy, others'
Mhm.
rights. Then only we will feel happy in preserving our rights.
Right.
So it's both these things works on both ways, whether it
Mhm.
is human rights or it is respect.
Mhm.
So it works in both ways.
Right. And first, if we give respect and then we can take, then we can expect for respect. Otherwise, no. But maybe
Absolutely.
lots of people, they can't understand this thing. You know, they always expect from other side.
Others.
They never put any l- effort for taking giving respect.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
You already ate lots of value. Like, I think no need to add something from my side. Okay, so I think we can talk now. We can talk about self-love.
Self-love. Yes. Self-love is very important. Until and unless you are not loving yourself, means
Mhm,
you are not giving space to your thought, to your
mhm,
actions, to your everything, I can say. It is related to health also. Like if
mhm,
you are not giving time to your health, then
mhm.
again you will not feel happy, you will
Right.
feel ill. And then again, the healthy mind, it lives in healthy body only. So we
Mhm,
have to give time to ourselves, we should
mhm,
love ourselves,
mhm.
so that we can make available for our family members also.
Right.
If you are not every time we are saying yes to all the members and
Mhm,
our daughter, our son, every
mhm,
time if we are available
mhm,
24/7, and
mhm.
we are not taking care of our health, we are not taking care of our own desires or happiness, then what will happen? We will collapse one day.
Yeah.
How long we can fight alone? So if
Right.
we are giving, if we are thinking about ourselves, if we are keeping well,
Mhm,
if we are happy in our mind, in our soul, then only
mhm,
we can serve others in the family. Because after all, a mother or a daughter-in-law, she is,
mhm.
I think, the excess of the family. Each and
Right.
every person revolves around that person only. And if you are
Mhm,
not well, so it's not good always to say no.
mhm,
Sometimes we can say no to someone also if we are
mhm,
not having that much time, and we cannot obey their commands. So very softly and very respectfully we can deny them, because now this is the time for us to relax, to
yeah.
from all the working all the day long. It's
Mhm.
we become sometimes very drained out.
Right.
We feel like we will collapse in the bed, right? We
Right.
are
Right.
just drained.
Right.
Every drop of our energy
Mm,
drained in doing
mhm,
lots of works, household chores. And at
mhm.
the same time, if we are professionals, if we are working outside, then we have to put our 100% efforts in our working place also. Like I'm in school, so
Yeah.
here also I want to give my 100%. It is demanded sometimes.
Right.
For
Right.
example, I have only three period, but
Mhm,
every time I am on my toes to
mhm.
help that student, to counsel, then to take meetings, and
Right.
every the whole day it becomes so swamped, so
Mhm,
occupied for me. I
mhm.
hardly find time for myself.
Right.
Yes, this is all I want to say.
Yeah, it's a very big problem, especially for women's, like, and if any women choose work also so it's very big task, because I know lots of work
Right.
and responsibility, they already waiting for her. So if
Right.
anyone choose to working, so it's a double time duty. She need to,
Double.
yeah, all
Yes.
type of household responsibility plus kids responsibility and then work responsibility again. And like maybe office, and like now you are teacher, so you can fulfill your duties in school, but you can't fulfill your duty in home, because this is endless chores, endless duties.
Right.
And maybe family member, I don't know why, but they demand again and again. Endless demand. Sometimes I also feel like I'm ready to collapse, because I can't say no. I face this issue, and I can relate yours each and every word. Like I know I'm juggling between, if someone asks
Hmm.
for any kind of help, and in I have any kind of experience in that field, so I always try to provide my help from my side, and that's why I suffer a lot. But still I'm habitual with it side
Yes,
maybe.
because every time, hmm,
Hmm,
right, right, right. Every time, just we don't want to deny anyone.
yeah,
So we are always, we means, I don't think, but saying no is very important,
right,
because
right.
that means you are not disobeying them. Rather,
Hmm,
you are finding pace for yourself. You
hmm,
are finding coolness and calmness for yourself,
right.
and you will not then, you will not juggle between,
Hmm,
like, I'm not doing their work and what they will feel. They will
right.
not feel anything, and if they are feeling, let them feel, but we should respect our privacy, our
Hmm,
time. There must be some me time for
hmm,
us, like
yeah.
whatever we like to do in that time, we should do that thing, like
Hmm,
having a cup of coffee, and we will just sit in a relaxed mood,
right.
listen to some music or read some book.
Hmm,
So then our mind get more energized, and
right.
we feel more dignified also at that time,
Hmm,
because again, because we are ready, rejuvenate, we can say that
hmm,
at that time when we do what we like, at the time we also rejuvenating ourselves, our
right,
soul, so to
right,
work again with that same passion.
right. But I think this all the dot. Maybe these are interconnected. Like self love, self respect, saying no, like setting boundaries, plus overthinking.
Hmm.
They all interconnected. Whenever
Yes.
because I can feel this
Correct.
thing, like I can't say no, so I feel most of time overwhelmed. Like I'm thinking like,
Mm-hmm.
why I like this is not all my duty, but family member and my kids and other relatives, and like all they expect help from my side. How can I fulfill all the and because of this I can't prioritize my important thing, and sometimes I have to skip. I don't want, but I have to skip my important work, and then again I start overthinking because
It is
I want to
important.
do. Yeah, so maybe
Mm-hmm.
we have to settle them first, but I don't know when
Yes,
I
it
will
is
success
important.
in.
Once
Yeah.
once they will feel, once they will feel bad,
Mhm.
but it would be a good job to say, if you're not thinking doing like that, you should not do. This is my
Yeah,
perspective.
but
Means
ma'am,
if you are willingly doing that thing, then it's okay. Otherwise,
yeah, yeah. But in
yes, Ina.
sometime it's happen. We can't say no. Like okay, we can say no. Other like relative or some other people, but we can't say like if a spouse need help. If our spouse needs, so how can we deny? If
Mm-hmm.
our parents need, if our sibling need, so that time I don't know why, but in my case I always prioritize their thing. Like first thing, okay, I'll try my best for you. Okay, I can sacrifice for myself. So that's why. And second thing, I think,
But how long?
yeah, I know I can understand this thing, and now
But
I realize this thing. That's why now I'm understanding. Okay, this is right time to say no. This is right time to set boundaries for myself. Otherwise, I can't handle. Now I can't. But the problem is, ma'am, like now I'm in this age, I want to, worry about future and all the things. So now I'm try to, set future. I'm trying to, create my own identity. So maybe this is my struggle period. So maybe I don't know how much, yeah, but how many long this time for me, but I hope I,
How long this time? How
yeah,
long
maybe.
you will need this time
Hmm.
to become stable? Because
Hmm.
we all struggle like that. It's not hard and fast rule. But
Yeah.
yes, if we are willing to do that job
Hmm.
100% with our heart, then
Hmm.
only we can say yes.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if the person, like you told about parents and your siblings and your spouse also, when he will
Hmm.
realize that you are not willing to do that and you are tired, they must
Hmm.
understand this thing. Because we are
Yeah.
doing two, three things, our plate is full. And again,
Right.
if you are, pressurizing us to
Hmm.
do that particular thing, so I think that is not good on their part. They
Yeah.
should understand this thing. We
Right.
should
Right.
always, if we are filled with, gratitude, and
Hmm.
our mind is full of determination to do that thing, then only we should do. Otherwise, we should, it's better to say no at that
Hmm.
time.
Right. And yeah, I already start this thing. Okay, now I'm busy, and you have to, if you want something, so you can find your own self. Please don't wait for me. I can't
Good.
do. I don't have time for all. Then I can't available
Right.
for all time. And so now I started, but I think
Right.
it
Yes,
take time.
absolutely.
Maybe they uh, they take time to understand this thing ki, okay, now Meena is not available for every time, so they have to manage their own self,
Yes.
right?
Mhm. Of course, they should. We all are human beings. After that, we are male and female. First, we all are human beings. We all have same kinds of feelings, right? It's not that you will dominate me. It's not that I have to follow your orders. You
Right.
should be independent and you should do your work.
Right. Yeah, like my
I
mindset is
think
like
this
whenever
is
I try
important.
to say no, so that time I'm feeling, I think like, okay, maybe uh, any person who front of me who thinking like, maybe I try to ignore them, I try to, disrespect them. So in guilty, I feel guilty, and again I try my best, and I try to fulfill their